Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Eurozone government bond yields rose, tracking weakness in the UK gilts market after the Bank of England governor gave pension funds and other investors 3 days to fix their problems before it withdraws support. Portugal, a haven for crypto investors, has decided to tax cryptocurrencies at a rate of 28% on investors holding blockchain-based assets for less than a year. However, assets that are held beyond the 1-year period will remain tax-free. The Australian dollar crumbled to fresh 2.5-year lows as the rout in UK bond markets spooked investors into the safety of US dollar, while an ongoing slide in the yuan piled on further pressure. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the dollar gain 0.6% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 12:30 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.